Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about the prepositional phrases with, in, by, on, next to, and near. We will also learn to use them correctly in sentences. I would love to sit outdoors on a cool fall day and watch movies with my friends. Hi Lily, do you see the vase on the dining table? Could you please put the flowers in the vase? Thank you. I always get my pizzas from the pizzeria that is by my house. I have a quiet meditation area in my bedroom. There is a church next to my grandmother's house. After school on Mondays and Thursdays, my friend works in a Mediterranean restaurant. The motorcycle is in the garage next to the toolbox. There aren't that many furnitures in the attic. There is a coffee table by the couch. There are no stores by my house. There is a driveway near the front yard. The driveway is next to the garage. In today's lesson, we learned about the prepositional phrases with, in, by, on, next to, and near. We also learned to use them correctly in sentences. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.